Ever wondered if there's a secret to living a vibrant, disease-free life? What if I told you the answer has been around for centuries, hidden in plain sight, and 2026 is the perfect time for you to finally discover it? Let's be honest, the world of health and nutrition can feel like a confusing maze. One day, carbs are evil. The next, they're your best friend. But amidst all the fads and quick fixes, there's one eating pattern that consistently rises above the noise, backed by mountains of science and centuries of real-world results. Today, we're going to dive deep into the Mediterranean diet, not just what it is, but why embracing this incredible lifestyle in 2026 could be the single most transformative decision you make for your health, your weight, and your future. We're talking about more than just food. We're talking about a blueprint for true well-being that's surprisingly simple, incredibly delicious, and waiting for you to unlock its power. So what exactly is this Mediterranean diet that everyone keeps talking about? Forget strict rules and complicated calorie counting. At its heart, the Mediterranean diet isn't a diet in the modern sense. It's a way of life, inspired by the traditional eating habits of people living in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, like Greece, Italy, and Spain. Imagine sun-drenched coasts, fresh ingredients, and meals shared with loved ones. It's less about restriction and more about abundance and enjoyment. The core principles are beautifully simple, yet profoundly powerful. Picture your plate overflowing with vibrant colors. You've got generous portions of fruits, vegetables, legumes like lentils and chickpeas, and hearty whole grains such as oats, brown rice, and whole wheat pasta. Nuts and seeds are also key players, offering a delightful crunch and a punch of healthy fats and fiber. These plant-based foods form the very foundation of this eating pattern. Think of them as your daily fuel, fresh, unprocessed, and packed with goodness. And what about fat? Forget the low-fat craze of the past decades. In the Mediterranean lifestyle, fat is celebrated, especially in the form of extra virgin olive oil. It's not just a cooking medium, it's often drizzled generously over salads, vegetables, and even soups, bringing a richness and flavor that's truly distinctive. This liquid gold is a powerhouse of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. When it comes to protein, fish and seafood take center stage. Think salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna, enjoyed regularly, often several times a week. Poultry, eggs, and dairy products like yogurt and cheese are enjoyed in moderation, a few times a week. Red meat, on the other hand, is reserved for occasional treats, perhaps once or twice a month, not an everyday staple. And yes, a glass of red wine with meals is often part of the tradition, consumed in moderation, of course. What does this all add up to nutritionally? A diet naturally rich in fiber, which is fantastic for digestion and keeps you feeling full. It's bursting with antioxidants, those little warriors that protect your cells from damage. It's loaded with healthy fats that support heart health and brain function. Crucially, it's low in processed foods, low in added sugars, and low in unhealthy saturated fats that can clog up your system. It's a clean, wholesome way of eating that nourishes your body from the inside out. You might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but why 2026 specifically? Well, let me tell you, the future is arriving fast, and with it, a growing need for proactive health measures. We're living in an era where healthcare costs are soaring, and chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers are becoming alarmingly common. The convenience of highly processed foods has taken a toll on our collective health, and the sheer volume of conflicting nutritional advice leaves many feeling lost and overwhelmed. We're at a turning point. People are becoming increasingly aware that preventative health isn't just a nice-to-have, it's essential. It's about taking control before problems arise, investing in your health now to avoid costly and debilitating issues down the road. And that's precisely where the Mediterranean diet shines brightest, making 2026 the absolute ideal moment to embrace it. Imagine a world where you feel more energetic, where your doctor visits are mostly about praise for your healthy markers, and where you're not constantly worrying about your weight or managing chronic conditions. This isn't a fantasy, it's a very real outcome for those who adopt this lifestyle. Let's talk about the hard science, the stuff that turns heads in the medical community. The Mediterranean diet has been consistently ranked as one of the healthiest eating patterns by top nutrition experts year after year. Why? Because the evidence is overwhelming. Studies spanning decades, involving hundreds of thousands of people, have repeatedly shown its incredible power. Take heart disease, for instance. It's still the leading cause of death globally, but adhering to a Mediterranean diet can significantly reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. The emphasis on healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants works together like a symphony to keep your arteries clear, your blood pressure balanced, and your cholesterol levels healthy. It's like giving your heart a permanent vacation from stress. Then there's type 2 diabetes. With rising rates worldwide, managing blood sugar has become a critical health concern. The Mediterranean diet, with its focus on whole grains, legumes, and plenty of vegetables, has a low glycemic load. This means it helps regulate blood sugar, preventing those dangerous spikes and crashes, and significantly lowering your risk of developing type 2 diabetes, or even helping manage it if you already have it. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a powerful shield. And let's not forget the big C, cancer. While no diet can guarantee immunity, the rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds found in Mediterranean foods have been linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including breast and colorectal cancers. These compounds work to fight off cellular damage that can lead to cancer growth. It's about creating an environment in your body where disease struggles to take root. But the benefits extend far beyond these major illnesses. The Mediterranean diet has also shown promise in reducing the risk of cognitive decline, including Alzheimer's disease. Those healthy fats, especially from olive oil and fish, are brain food, plain and simple, helping to keep your mind sharp and agile as you age. Improved mood. Absolutely. The connection between gut health and mental well-being is undeniable, and a fiber-rich, plant-heavy diet feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which can positively impact your mood and reduce symptoms of depression. And for those of you who are constantly battling with your weight, listen closely. This isn't a crash diet. It's a sustainable way of eating that naturally promotes weight management. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods that are high in fiber and healthy fats, you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and overeating. It helps you build a healthier relationship with food, shifting away from deprivation and towards enjoyment and nourishment. People often find that weight loss happens almost effortlessly when they switch to this style of eating, not because they're restricting, but because they're simply eating better. It's about feeling satisfied, not stuffed, and truly enjoying every bite. In 2026, as our world continues to demand more from us, and the pace of life seems to only accelerate, making a conscious choice to adopt the Mediterranean lifestyle is a proactive step towards safeguarding your well-being. It's about choosing longevity, vitality, and a future where you can thrive, not just survive. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge and delicious food to navigate whatever comes your way. Now, all of this sounds amazing, right? But for many, the idea of completely changing your eating habits can feel overwhelming. Where do I start? What do I cook? How do I make it personalized to my goals? This is where the real challenge often lies, bridging the gap between knowing what's good for you and actually doing it consistently. We're all busy, we have unique tastes, and sometimes just the thought of meal planning can feel like another chore. That's precisely why a structured, supportive solution is so vital, and it's why I want to talk about the Mediterranean Dat Natia diet plan. This isn't just another cookbook or a list of rules. It's a comprehensive framework designed to make the transition to a healthy Mediterranean lifestyle not just easier, but genuinely enjoyable and effective. Think of it as your personal guide, holding your hand through every delicious step of the way. The Mediterranean.Netia diet plan takes the guesswork out of healthy eating. Imagine having personalized meal plans crafted just for you. Whether your main goal is weight loss, improving your heart health, or simply building a more balanced diet for overall wellness, Mediterranean.Netia tailors its plans to your individual needs and preferences. No more trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. This is about a plan that fits you. They understand that one size does not fit all, and that personalization is key to long-term success. But it's not just about what you should eat, it's about making it delightful. The plan offers a wealth of delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. We're talking about vibrant flavors, fresh ingredients, and meals that will make you look forward to every bite. From quick weeknight dinners to more elaborate weekend feasts, you'll discover how incredibly varied and satisfying Mediterranean cuisine can be. You won't feel like you're on a diet. You'll feel like you're exploring a world of incredible food. These recipes are designed to be approachable, even for beginners in the kitchen, so you can confidently whip up meals that are both healthy and incredibly tasty. Perhaps one of the most crucial elements of any successful health journey is support, and Mediterranean.Netia understands this deeply. They offer access to a community of like-minded individuals. Imagine a place where you can share your successes, ask questions, get tips, and stay motivated alongside others who are on the same path. You're not alone in this journey. Plus, you get expert guidance and resources that provide valuable insights into the principles of the diet, helping you understand the why behind the what, and empowering you to navigate your journey with confidence and knowledge. They help you build sustainable habits, not just follow temporary rules. It's about education, encouragement, and a genuine connection with your health goals. Embracing the Mediterranean lifestyle in 2026 isn't just about food, it's about making a profound commitment to yourself, to your vitality, and to a longer, more joyful life. It's about choosing a path that nourishes your body, delights your taste buds, and consistently proves its worth through scientific backing and countless real-life transformations. So, in 2026, don't just make another resolution that fizzles out. Take control of your health with a plan that has stood the test of time and is supported by science. Let the Mediterranean.Netia diet plan be your ideal framework to nourish your body, savor delicious food, and embark on a path towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Experience the transformative power of the Mediterranean diet for yourself, and watch this video right here for more tips to kickstart your journey.